Hi, a lot of you have requested a video of how you save photos from iPhone to the Blanbok plus USB stick. So first of all, you have to connect the USB stick via the Lightning port onto your iPhone, and then you have to install the Blanbok plus application from the App Store. So you open it, and if it's asking you to allow, so you will open like this. So you'll ask you to allow. If it asks you to allow access, please allow it, otherwise it won't work. This is how the app looks like. You can see how much storage you have on the phone and how much storage is on the external USB. You have photos, movies, take a photo, backup, record, recorder, take a video. So you can record directly on the USB stick. You can take a photo directly on the USB stick. You can take a video directly on the USB stick, and it should look something like this. So if you press on that, you will see that's the app that is using, and for photos it's like this, and if you want to record, it's like this. The backup will, from what I've seen, it would only back up your contacts. I was expecting it to back up a bit more, but it's not. Then you have settings, you have show hidden files, show file extensions. So if you need to see that, you just enable it from there. But what you want to see from me today is how to save onto this device. So what I would do, if you want to save a video, you go and click on movie. If you want to save a photo, you click on photo. So let's just click on photo, and then you won't see this. You will see this at first, and you'll think, oh, what's going on? I can't really do it. But you have to tap where it says local storage and make sure you tap on albums. Then you will ask you to allow access to your photos on the phone. Please allow it, otherwise you won't work. So then you just click on your recent files, your recent photos, and you select the ones that you want to copy. Click edit, and then you select. So let's just select a few. And then you tap the copy button on the right side of the recycle bin. And then you have two options. You can copy them on the internal storage of the phone, which I don't think you want. But the option that you need to click on is external storage. So tap on external storage, and then you can see what are the folders on the USB stick, on the Blanbok plus USB stick. So you can create yourself a new folder. If you put a space, don't worry. If you can't open it from the iPhone, you will be able to open it from the computer or from your Android phone. But best is to not use space. So just put iPhone, and you can even use an underscore photos. Yeah, press OK. The folder is created successfully. Tap on it and copy here, and wait until all the photos they get copied. It's quite fast though. Tap done, back to photos, and you have to tap on albums, external storage if you want to see them, and you will see your folder was created successfully. iPhone photos, tap on it, and there's your photos saved. If you want to copy movies, tap on movies, albums, make sure you're on the albums. I am already there. Tap on recent, or you can tap on videos, up to you. Select the video you want to click edit first, select one or two videos, done. Sorry, I forgot to click copy. Select them, press copy, external storage, and I will put them in the same folder because why not? You can create yourself another one. I'll just say copy there. You wait until they get copied, and you can see with the videos, obviously it will take a bit longer to copy, but hopefully eventually it will copy. Probably this video it's a bit longer. But what I've noticed is if you use the USB-C dongle, in order to connect to your Android phone or to your laptop or to your Mac. I've noticed that it was kind of disconnecting for me a bit earlier. I'm not quite sure why, but otherwise this USB stick seems to be really nice, and it's pretty small for what it is, and it operates really well. It doesn't get hot. Other USB sticks of this size, they get extremely hot. You think like it's gonna melt. And it seems quite easy to operate. As long as you install the app, you allow it to have access to your photos. I don't see what issues you could have. Like I said, if you put a space when you create your folder, if you put, for example, iPhone space backup or photos, you won't be able to. It will give you an error when you try to open it from the iPhone. That could be something to do with the iPhone policies or restrictions. But as soon as you put it on the Android phone, as soon as you connect to the Android phone or to your laptop, you'll be able to see the content of that folder. Don't panic. You won't be able to delete the folder that has a space on the naming convention from your iPhone, but probably you can surely delete it from your PC, or your Android phone. So yeah, this it's almost done. Obviously, like I've explained in my unboxing video, the read-write speed is not the best, but it does work. As you can see, this is an older phone I have, and the battery is not that good anymore. Hopefully we'll have enough battery to finish this video. So let's see. It's almost done. Unfortunately, because I'm using screen recorder and I'm recording from another phone, my voice, I wasn't able to pause the video, but yeah, it's done. So you just go back and change to your external storage, and you should see the videos inside the iPhone photos, and there they are.
Hi and welcome.
Another thing is, which I wasn't able to figure out myself, is it appears that you can lock specific files. So for example, you see on this one you have this padlock. I'm not 100% sure exactly how to do it, but this video is just to show you how to copy files, and as you could see, it does copy files just fine. So thank you for watching. I hope it helps.